Hey yo, let's go. UP run 1 kilometer, 6 kilometers, 8 kilometers, 9 kilometers. Grabing uphill to guys, papunta sa Boy Scout of the Philippines. So shoutout kay na ate kasi namahan tayo. Sir, sexy face lang tayo. On to our 13 kilometers na. Right guys, kuya, good morning. 15 kilometers. Let's go. Woo! Lapit na. Makakauwi na tayo guys. 17 kilometers. Konti na lang guys. Let's go. 19 kilometers. kilometers. Alright guys, so that's 21k LSD Saturday. Woo! Coffee, iced coffee, Carabao milk with kape barako. Dito yan guys. Alright guys, boost tayo. Milka creme, Kalaboy, Philippine Carabao Center dito sa UPLB. So, ito talaga yung tinakbo natin. Grabe. Tas pag. Once again guys, on to the next one. Bye.